Welcome guys to the unboxing of the Qiyi Qimeng Plus. So let's start. What's in the box is are the cube and the instruction manual, and that's all of it. Thank you.
Just kidding. We'll review this. But to be honest, I think this is just a big SPEEDCUBE. So how big is this? This is supposed to be a 90mm SPEEDCUBE, but it is actually 89.4mm. That is based on my vernier caliper. And the weight is 246 grams. How does this feel? This is actually smooth. Not as good as the smaller SPEEDCUBEs, the regular SPEEDCUBEs, but this is good enough. Comparing to the size of the GAN 356, this is around 4 times bigger. And as expected, I can turn this as fast as I could in GAN. The corner cutting is nothing special, but it can corner cut. This is actually good with the reverse corner cut. So I think we can really consider this as a SPEEDCUBE. Let's proceed now with the test solves. I am averaging 12 seconds with a normal SPEEDCUBE, but I am expecting that I will be slower with this huge cube. So why would someone will buy this? Considering that Solve by Fit is now not an official event by WCA, then the only reason that I could think is that you are a cube collector. I think this is a good cube for your cube collection. Also, I think that this cube is good for presentations. If you will be in stage and want to present something that you will require a cube, I think this is perfect for it. But I guess that is a 1 in 1,000 chance. Comment down what you think this cube is for. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe here in Gizmo Twist. This is Marian, and thank you very much.